what we're doing first is we're taking some almonds. They're better soaked at night. Peel them off and then boil the almonds. Create a paste with, either you can add refined sugar, you can add brown sugar, you can add jaggery, you can add any sweetener of your choice, except for dates, because dates and almonds will not mix very well. Create pastes like this, of this consistency. And I think we have people over here who are going to, unko samjhao kaise karna hai. Make like a cup, so that we are creating space where we can fill in the hazelnut and the Biscoff cream. So we can take some Lotus Biscoff biscuits and mix them finely with some hazelnuts. We're going to take some of these and the Biscoff and hazelnut powder that we created. We can also add a little bit of the sea salt in this, to give it a little bit, sweeten the salt. Once the rim is done, now last part that is left to do is just to fill in. Just do the stuffing. Let's just serve it to people.